Atwood machine is a device for studying progressive motion and verifying mechanical laws of motion with constant acceleration. The device was invented in 1784. Ideally, the Atwood machine is made up of two weights interconnected by a non-extensible zero-weight string through a pulley. Weights of equal mass are balanced. The differences in mass cause the weights to move with linear acceleration. George Atwood was an English mathematician who invented a machine for illustrating the effects of Newton's first and second law of motion, now known as the Atwood machine.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
The greater the difference between the two masses, the greater the acceleration. The greater the combined masses, the smaller the acceleration. The acceleration for the two masses is... If m1 is the larger mass, the acceleration is in the direction of the larger mass going down. The force on the system is F equals G times m1 minus m2. According to Newton's second law, this equals the total mass times the acceleration, because the total mass is m1 equals to m2. We can derive the previous expression for acceleration. An Atwood machine demonstrates the principles of Newton's second law. The net force on the masses causes the total mass of the system to accelerate.
Elevators with counterbalances are basic concept underlying the Atwood machine, and thus do not require to be powered by a driving motor to be set in motion. The elevator merely has to eliminate the difference in weight and momentum between the elevator car and the counterbalance. The same principle is employed to move cable railroad vehicles, made up of two interconnected cars, along oblique tracks.